Welcome to MILA University, the place where future leaders are born. Nestled in the peaceful yet vibrant town of Nilai, Malaysia, our campus offers the perfect environment to turn your dreams into reality. At MILA University, you will have access to a wide range of programs, including School of Engineering and Computing, the School of Biotechnology, and the renowned School of Management and Business. The School of Management and Business boasts 9 state-of-art facilities, interactive rooms, club hub, lecture theaters, forum rooms, experts oasis, the Hive, PhD workspace, discussion pods, and computer labs. These spaces are designed to offer top-notch hands-on learning experience. Whether it's digital classroom or real-world projects, every step here helps you develop essential skills and prepare you for a successful career. You will expand your horizons, gain invaluable international experience, and build lasting connection with students from all around the world. Our smart campus is equipped with cutting-edge facilities and creative space that inspire exploration and growth. It's not just a place to study, it's home where your exploration takes flight. Join MILA University and unlock a future full of possibilities. MILA University. Experience shapes your future.